CRYO Systems is a professional international refrigeration equipment company that integrates design, production, sales, and after-sales service. We have more than 200,000 square meters of standardized production workshops. At CRYO, we recognize the interests of our clients will always be our first order of business, and our team has taken part in projects to the highest standards and completed projects on time. With the use of all these state-of-the-art production lines and facilities, we ensure that our product's quality reaches the international advanced level. In manufacturing, we use automated production lines to the maximum extent possible. We have a clear division area and skilled workers to ensure 100% correct. We focus on every detail to provide customers with durable, long lifetime products. Presently, our products are exported to more than 70 countries and regions.